Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you a dashboard that I made on HR analytics, specifically on employee turnover insights. We know that employee turnover can be unpredictable, causing a company to incur unforeseen expenses. This dashboard will help HR to identify trends, provide support needed to relevant teams, ultimately in an effort to reduce employee turnover. To begin, I'll be walking you through some of the features of this dashboard. To the left, we have slicers. These will help us filter the charts on the dashboard to different categories. At the top, we have counters, which show us the total number of employees we've lost, and then that number as a percentage of males and percentage of females. This first chart shows us the turnover per age group. This will help us identify which age group throws in the towel the most. Similarly, this chart here shows us turnover by department, which helps us see which department has the highest rate of turnover. Lastly, we have this chart, which shows us the turnover per performance rating. This chart shows us whether we are losing high-performing employees or low-performing employees. Every year, our employees go through an annual performance review where they are rated on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. This chart will help us see what level of performers are leaving the company. To begin, we will filter our dashboard to reason for leaving, conflict with manager. If we filter to conflict with manager, we can see that we lost a total of 17 employees to conflict with manager, 7 of which were males and 10 of which were females. And we can see that most of them belong to the age group 22 to 32. We can also see that the operations department had the highest rate of turnover. If we look at this last chart, we can see that most people who left were high performers rated 4 out of 5. With this information, HR is able to make decisions such as including conflict resolution questions in their interview process or providing training to some of these managers who seem to be losing high-performing employees due to conflict. We can filter our dashboard to health issues and derive similar insights and come up with solutions to these insights. I'll keep this video short, but if you would like to know how I came up with this dashboard from a simple Excel sheet like this one, you can keep watching. What you are looking at right now is a simple exit interview log sheet that the manager fills in when an employee leaves. It contains basic data like the employee's name, department, age, reason for leaving. As you can see, this data is not clean. It has gaps, some duplicates, so the first step was to clean this sheet. This is the clean version of that sheet. We removed the duplicates, filled in the gaps with data that makes sense. We also removed columns that we did not need. Once the data was clean, we moved on to pivot tables. Pivot tables allow us to do the analysis. I built pivot tables that answer questions I thought would be useful for the HR, such as turnover rate by department. Once I had all the pivot tables and charts ready, we moved on to visualization, where we grouped the charts to make a dashboard. I hope this was as fun for you to watch as it was as fun for me to make. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.